Now I know you know the feeling of having something you want to get done, but you got 10 apps open, you got 5 different tabs open, but what if there was one application that you could have that handled everything? I'm talking about your work, nigga, your business, your homework, your schoolwork, anything that you have going on. This can literally become your assistant, but that goes across every platform. Like, it's called Remio AI, and I'm gonna show you. So the tool is called Remio AI, bro. It's living up to its name as the #1 assistant because this one actually is going to get access to your computer. So when it gets access to your computer, it's going to literally use the AI to start learning from you. And what I mean by that is, bro, it connects to your Google, your YouTube, all of the things above. We're going to show you live examples of all of that happening. So they claim it's 3 easy steps. They say connect your sources, forget it, and then ask Remio AI. So the goal of this is for you to connect all of your social media platforms, your Reddits, your news articles, your homework, wherever it is. And then they want you to input that information. And then you can just ask Remio what the answer is rather than having all them tabs and apps open. You feel me? So they designed this to be the perfect AI assistant, intelligent work co-pilot. You dig what I'm saying? And what that means is a seamless knowledge saving, smart organization, proactive task assistant, and it has instant recall. So that means it's gonna be able to write effortlessly anything you've ever told any of the other apps you use.
Sync your file directory to Remio. Just with one click, the entire folder will be indexed automatically. After that, just ask anything directly. Remio will recall the relevant content and provide you with a citation answer to ensure the reliability.
All right, so peep the plot. Y'all know Bitcoin has been going crazy and y'all know crypto goes crazy. This article right here is about Bitcoin. They got some good points in here. So what I did was I copied all of this article, right, as much as I wanted. And then as soon as you copy, you notice the thing that pops up is what? Ask AI, create a highlight, or you can add a comment. Now, when you get your comment, you go ahead, you can save it to Remio. I said this took place on November 17th. Crypto is finna boom. And all I have to do is press save to Remio. So what that means is rather than having this article open and taking bits and pieces from it, everything I wanted has been saved to Remio already. And you see the other button pop up that says ask AI. So now you can go in and ask AI. So now if you have a question about the article, you can literally go in here and ask your question. So let's say, for example, you've been in ChatGPT and I got my $10,000 a day plan already ready and cooked up. All I do is right click and you see there's a new tab right here for Remio. So now you can go ahead and add this to your favorites, add it to your collections, and I'm gonna show y'all just live in real time. Add to favorites. And that was pretty cool is that you get a Remio application directly on your dock or your home screen, wherever you put your apps at on your computer. This app has everything you need and it even has its own knowledge base. Let me show you. And as you see right here, what did it do? It saved my plan and you can open it up live in real time. You can add this to your collection like we did right there if you want to add some existing notes. If you highlight anything in here, guess what you can do? Ask AI, start chatting with the bot, start chatting with AI itself to get you any information you need within a click, gang. It tells you everything about it, the source of where it came from, so you can literally copy this. And as soon as you click it, look where it takes you, right back to where you were at in that ChatGPT conversation, bro. It's next level. Let's say you're here on YouTube and you happen to come across a dope ass content creator like this guy right here, the session. You can literally go to the video and once you highlight over it or hover over it, it has a button, you press that, and just like that, it was been added to Remio, bro. Just like that, a screenshot of this video. So if there was a point in time where you wanted to capture something on screen, you got homework, you got class, you're trying to do research, you can literally screenshot right there and it goes right to Remio. My name is The Session. You here watching this video because today is day, 64 of getting rich with AI. And this tool is something that's gonna help us get paid, whether it's indirectly or directly. This is one of the best AI assistants that I've ever come across. And it takes full control of your computer. So if you like the content we talk about here, it's about AI, it's about tech, it's about questioning your mindset and always growing. You feel me? If you like that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you stay tuned to the end because one of the comments of this video will be winning the cash prize. Let's get it. All right, so when you go here to the knowledge base, look at all this different information, bro. It saved a lot of my stuff in here. It saves a ton of information that was on my computer, bro. This is literally amazing. And it's gonna go through your actual files that are on your computer. So the cool thing about this is that you don't have to worry about security because this is saved only locally to your computer. It's not going to some cloud or some third party where they can hack into your information. But this keeps everything safe because, like I said, everything is stored locally. I like that. Good job, Remio. Hey. All right, and then you can also check out your collections. This shows you if you have any questions about how do I even use this, bro? Like what is Remio? What is this tool? I'm lost. You can obviously watch the video that I made and you can go through this get started little template setup. They show you how to solve problems. They got the superpowers, what it's used for. Bro, what's crazy is that you can even record stuff live on screen. I think we should try that out. Let's do it. You go to your recordings right here. You can play it back out loud, or you can press this plus button, and that's going to allow you to add even more. Guess what else? These are some of the things that you can log into your account with, and Remio will work seamlessly with. Mail, everybody got email. Gmail, go ahead and add that. You got your local files, go ahead and add that. You got recordings, it's going to say grant permission, go ahead and add that. You got Slack. A lot of y'all have your work programs logged in right here. Go ahead and add your team right there, gang. Your YouTube channel. This is going to connect to your Google Chrome extension. Guess what else? Yes, indeed. ChatGPT, you know how we be. Google Docs, that's going to connect to your Google Chrome. WeChat, and you can even import things directly to here. Let's say you wanted to make a new chat, and let's say we wanted to ask it something about information that, bro, I never talked to this. I only put this information in ChatGPT. So I'm curious to see what it's going to say back. And you can even choose who responds back, whether you want DeepSeek, you want GPT 4.1, or Gemini. I'm going to just use the Gemini that they have here, and I'm just going to press enter. Nigga, bro, how does it know everything? This is crazy. No cap. I'm reviewing this live in real time with y'all live on the screen, and they got everything in here. So right here, they broke down my plan, which is to check stocks, meditate, do push-ups, check my 10 a.m. list, etc., etc. I never typed that into Remio. I only typed that into one page on ChatGPT. And from this syncing from just 3 minutes, it's still syncing thousands of other files. It was literally able to give me a full day's breakdown, okay? This is impressive. I think this is, I don't know, you tell me. Some of y'all got Fiverr assistants, some of you use Online PH, some of you go to Google, wherever you go. That person's incredible. But what if you could substitute that person, use just Remio, or what if you can have one freelancer or one VA that manages all of this? This could be an assistant to an assistant. You know, you can use it a bunch of different ways, but bro, this shit is crazy. So you see right here, there's a highlighted note, and it even has a memo. So if I were to click this, this is crazy. It takes me to the video that I made on YouTube. So it has that already blended in. It has an update to the beacons with this dude's website as an example. This is crazy. If you wanted to connect with your ChatGPT again, you can literally go back to the article you started writing earlier. We read that article about Bitcoin. Let's see what that was talking about. Just like that, bro, no way. It even added the hyperlinks. Bro, this is crazy. Yo, this is crazy. The reason this is so fire is because these are hyperlinks that were in the actual article itself. And if you think I'm capping, bro, look at this. When we scroll down, or wherever it was, right here, it had literally these hyperlinks. I just copied everything. I didn't think it was really going to link these things right here and really highlight everything. Bro, this is literally nuts. All the hyperlinks have been copied. As you see right here, everything pristine condition. If I want to add something about this article, so this is just a couple paragraphs I copied from an article. It took all the hyperlinks and I said, what price is Bitcoin? And it said, based on the recent information, Bitcoin's price is around 95,000 to 95.6. It tells me the market cap, the 24-hour volume, the circulating supply. Bro, look at all this information that came from just one article, gang. So any of the notes you have on your phone, you can literally use these, go into the note, and then start asking questions about whatever it is you copy. Whether you're on YouTube, whether you're on the internet, you browsing, it has your assistant tools here. So who is this tool for? I think it's for content creators, small business owners, or people that just want to run their business or their content stream smoothly, flawlessly. If you have employees, I'm not saying it's going to replace your whole team, but this is a tool for them. Think about this, gang. Every member on your team, your homies, your friends, whatever y'all want to save to, whatever goal you got, if everybody has this tool on their computer, that means you can download the same videos. Y'all got YouTube video references. Everybody put their Remio on that. You got a ChatGPT combo, copy it, paste it, send it to the team, send it to the homies, and it automatically uploads the more you save. It updates the more you save to it. It literally starts to learn you. Oh, and did I mention to sign up or use this tool is actually free, gang? Nigga, they give you credits to use it. It's crazy. You get credits as soon as you download it. I know it might be weird to download things to your computer, but it's in the App Store. It's legit. You can check it out for yourself. Hey, I'm not your guru, do what you want to do, but I think this is a banger. And especially after what I just showed you, I'm going to be using this every single week, bro. If not every day. The team will know about this. Trust me. Let me know what you think. Like, subscribe, and remember, comment on this video because every video that I drop, there's always a chance to get a cash giveaway. So make sure you stay tuned.